Why would you do that?
I'm sorry. It looks so... Why would you do that?
I'm gonna get my own.
What? What the fuck are you doing? Why the fuck would you do that?
Eating my girlfriend's leftover food in front of her to see her reaction.
Isaac! I was saving that! I literally wrote her.
Hey!
Babe, okay, it's not. Babe.
Wait, no. I didn't know it was that small. Wait, Talia, wait, no. Don't cry.
That's mine!
Oh,
You got nuggets!
Let me have some.
No!
Come here. Oh my god.
There's only one! Why are you
No?
eating?
What?
What are you doing?
I just want one.
You have some. And you just putting your fingers in it.
D, why you snatched the fries like that?
Because you already ate your fries. Why you stay?
Damn, baby, that looks good. Let me try a little piece of it.
Don't touch my food.
This is good.